Hi there, it's Tom back from Alcons Audio, the Netherlands, and we're present at the ISE show 2023 in Barcelona, back in Barcelona. And we're presenting a number of new products here, but as well we show a prototype design study, as we call it. And this time it is a new idea we had for the residential market, although it could be used for the pro market as well. Based on our Pro Ribbon column speakers, the Q series, we introduced we show actually this design study. It is designed to have as a modular system, as a modular line source system for the residential market, to be able to be built into the wall. So it's an in-wall system, and it features two 12-inch Pro Ribbons. The Pro Ribbon technology we have mastered over the last 30 years, multiple patent. In this case it's a 12-inch driver on top, 12-inch Pro Ribbon driver on below, and it's mated to four 6.5-inch woofers in a sealed enclosure, so easily tunable. The 6.5 inches feature active coil technology that we know from our VR5 and the QRP series. It's a very high fidelity, high output Pro speaker, but has a ultra low distortion, which is the perfect match with our Pro Ribbon drivers. The 12-inch Pro Ribbon drivers have a very narrow vertical plane. It's what we call natural cylindrical wavefront, so very flat on top and bottom, and has a very wide dispersion in the horizontal plane. In this case it's 80 degrees, but it will also be available in 120 degrees width. And it's modular, so you can stack one module on top of the other, so you can create a line source column inside your home or inside a specific in-wall application with extreme power handling. Each driver has about 2000 watt peak power handling from 1 kilohertz onwards to 20 kilohertz. So not yet more information on our website, but you can read more about the Alcons Pro Ribbon products on alconsaudio.com or specifically on the QR series of line source columns on qrseries.info. Thank you very much.